Today reviews. LibreOffice 2024 Home and Student 2021 Professional Plus Business compatible with Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Adobe PDF software, USB for Windows 11, 10, 8.7 Vista XP 3264-bit PC and macOS X. Making it an ideal alternative for users seeking a cost-effective Office suite that works seamlessly with widely used document types. Lifetime license and free updates for LibreOffice 2024. Highlight that LibreOffice 2024 offers a lifetime license with free updates, eliminating the need for costly subscriptions. This ensures users always have the latest features and security enhancements at no additional cost. Advanced PDF editing and export features in. Showcase the advanced PDF editing, which allows users to not only export documents to PDF but also edit existing PDF files, a feature typically found in expensive, specialized software. Multi-platform support, Windows, Mac, and Linux. Promote the cross-platform compatibility of LibreOffice 2024, which supports Windows, macOS, and Linux, ensuring that users can access and edit their documents on any device without worrying about compatibility issues. Detail the exclusive add-ons provided by Pixel Classics with the purchase and, including 1,500 fonts, PDF user guides, and dedicated email support, which enhance the overall user experience and provide additional value.